Hey everyone, welcome back. Can your squad not hear you in Free Fire, or is your microphone showing as disabled even though you turned it on? Here's the fix, no login needed. First go to your settings and then scroll down to the list of app and find Free Fire or just directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and then confirm that microphone access is toggled on. If your phone never asked for mic permission or got turned off, Free Fire's voice chat will silently fail. Next, go to the settings again and then go back and go to Bluetooth. Disconnect any Bluetooth earphones you're not actively using for voice chat. Since a spotty Bluetooth connection is one of the most common cause of a mic that cuts in and out, force close Free Fire completely from your recent apps and then reopen it, since a stuck voice chat session usually clears from a fresh relaunch. Also, close all the other apps that might be using your microphone in the background, like messaging or call apps, since only one app can access the mic at a time. If it's not working, restart your phone completely to fully release the microphone hardware, and that's it. All you gotta do is check mic permissions and settings, disconnect, straight Bluetooth, force close and reopen, close all the mic apps, voice chat works again, and that's it. Subscribe.